Hi everyone, my name is Oralia. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I post content around fashion and beauty for the working woman in her late 40s and early 50s. I post every Sunday and Thursday with occasional bonus content on Tuesdays. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave, as well as the notification bell. Today's video is all about this luscious beauty, the Natasha Denona Gold Palette. I am in love with this palette. It is so pretty. I don't really like this plastic sheet that's included with the shadow names, but I can live with it because look at that color story. It is stunning. All of those beautiful tans and browns and golds with pops of teal, they just speak to my soul. I was so attracted to this palette when I saw it at Sephora. I swatched it and the mattes are so incredibly buttery and amazing. I had to have it. I absolutely had to have it. So for today's look, I am starting out with Aria, which is this beautiful light tan eyeshadow, and I am using that as my transition, going in with a natural bristle blending brush. Then I'm going in with Dijon, which I absolutely love this mustard shadow. This is one of the shadows that really pulled me in to this eyeshadow palette. I don't know why I am so attracted to this shade, but I am. And I'm going in with a domed crease brush and adding that to my deeper crease. Then I decided I needed to blend those a little bit, and so I'm going in with my brush and just doing a little bit of blending. Next I'm going in with Log, which is a beautiful yellow toned brown, and applying that to the outer crease, and just to the outer crease. I'm not going in with this very much at all. I just want to darken that particular spot to provide a little bit of shadow for the next shade that I'm putting on, which is Python. And oh my goodness, this matte teal eyeshadow is amazing. Although it's not 100% matte, it does have a little bit of a sheen. I am packing this on with a small shader brush because I didn't want to have to deal with any fallout, but this eyeshadow is so nice, there was no fallout. So I'm just going in and building it up slowly and taking it out all the way to the outer corner. All right, and then I'm going in with Aurora, which is this amazing metallic teal. And I am applying that with the brush on just the center portion of my lid. I wanted to add a little bit of dimension there. Then going in with Lime Chrome, which is this gold eyeshadow with a fabulous lime green shift, and using my small shader brush, applying that, I flipped it over, so I'm using the clean side. Then I decided to go in with my finger and apply some and blend it with Aurora. And yep, I'm pretty happy with it. Decided to go in and reinforce the crease shade, so going in with Dijon again and just applying a little bit more to deepen it up and blend that out, and then using my fluffy blending brush to kind of fuse everything together. Sparks is the next eyeshadow that I'm using, and I am going to be applying that just under the brow bone for just a little bit of light in that spot. Going in with Dijon with this small fluffy shader brush and applying that to the lower lash line. Then going in with a detailed brush and using Log just to apply some definition to that area. Not doing anything crazy on the lower lid today. I am applying some liner to my upper lid because I will be using lashes with this look today. All right, and then I decided to use Sparks with a small domed brush in the inner corner to brighten up that inner corner. And then using a bronze liner, and this one is from ColourPop, to line my waterline. Going in with my Park Avenue Princess Contour Highlight Palette from Tarte, and just applying bronzer and contour to the usual spots. Next, I'm going in with a neutral peach blush. I didn't want my blush to contrast too much with my eyeshadow look. I wanted the shadow look to be the star, which is why I went with very subtle blush. And then going in with my Fenty Beauty highlight in Hustler Baby. And I decided to apply this to the usual spots and then also brighten up my face a little bit by applying some to my forehead, my upper lip, and my chin. And I decided to go to town on my upper lip today for some reason. Next, I'm going in with my Pat McGrath Ultra Gel Liner. I believe that's what it's called. It is in Supernatural, one of my most favorite lip liners ever. And applying that to as a liner, and then also filling my lips in. And then going in with Chocolate Lust, which is a Maybelline Shine lipstick. Spritzing my face with some Morphe setting spray, and that is the finished look. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye!